better. Every man out there where you get Queenie, I got perfect cause him older. And you know, I have no problem, Queenie. So don't do it. I have a signature that I'm living off. My signature in the eyes of God. You hear that? So make me be the son and a perfect example to no nasty that bad. Yeah, come tell me about Marky Mark. Who is Marky Mark, girl? Who is Marky Mark? Marky Mark, confused left, right. I don't want this up, Marky Mark, you know. Girl, only not share up my corruption and low blood at me now. Vampire! My friend! He is someone. And no fun my husband give. At least me know when him blood face me. Some of the man sit down in our on the face. And the things that what them do. No, can't chat to me. Can't cover behind stream. None of can brave. And looking at my husband. And come suck afters. You know, I smell awful. And that enough for share for the Sunday best. Oh me. Love worst marriage. The worst. But me the active help on God earth right now. I mean, I ask them, I bet you I'm going to change. And none of them can stop that. Because that is all by energy. My energy. And that no one kill me off. My vibes, my craziness. I'm not sitting and dictate what a big woman should do. It's rather food. What about your life? Put a camera if you're brave and free like the dirty corrupted queen. So talk to me, girl. Yeah, you're glad friend. I'm going to come out from my name. Being a self and talk about you now and building a profile. My brand, build off of me for being myself. And that's what me for. Look how much people over here, sir. Look how much it over there with you now. Nobody now sit down, girl. Nobody. Me. Now sit down. I'm gonna suck out my energy. Make my husband suck out my energy because my sign feet. And me now dash my name. I'm a signature for please. None of that, oh no. I prefer to kill my My words is my ban. I shall talk about that man anytime I'm but tell you now, still, I stand up for him because him name husband. Move on that. On all blood, scratch, man wanna have out there for me. Because it's not a blood mother no make. Wanna have for blood me. You know, shame I gotta put a ring on my finger and give me the honor what I want. So what wrong for me want to be married? And somebody married to me. I know me see the married go wrong. May I try make it right. Because I remember I say for better or for worse. Sickness or in health. Richer, no richer than home it last year. So it's for richer. I'm say no there beside my auntie, my ignorant, my earth. I mean my husband bill to this. And me, now me all me son up on a looked it. You don't think you can stop me from survive? It's a vice here. Not until my eye closed. Our father God dumb me. None of and stop this. Slow me. Every minute you know, when I share up. Everybody have a different opinion, and then you want to tell me I must have an opinion about my life. But when you can't have an opinion and I go cuss me and tell me say I'm movie when I go up cinema and buy a popcorn and then I eat a sausage roll. And then the movie, and I can't change when the movie. Move. Thank God for social media. And I forgot thank God for my careless. Thank God for my high girl. Thank God for the can't stand me. So I take my careless blood. I dare go come. One of guy wish for looking at that drunk that dry breaks face. Yeah. You hear that? Goddamn time come I get bigger and bigger. Good, better, best. You hear that? Hard work. None can't come in my brains. No matter what I talk, so when me up, if me there so no have to dance, me no remember no move on that. Now I have no opinion. Me no want none of like me. Me not care about none of me care about me and my feelings. Move. Real life me talk about. Now for come on internet, for come impress to get little followers. The followers are not for me. Everyone I know I don't feel like someone can have a platform against me clout. I don't like talk about clout. Me not look clout off of people. I have my own clout. I'm interested. You hear that? So if I'm not interested in a one way, I'm interested in another way. And another way, and another way, and another way. And that's all my prettiest thing. Look for me, blessing that. You think no I do that? Blessing. Happy God lucky. Big man for accept life. I know so where you never do 33 years ago, you do it right. Bad mouth I warn me that. Where? Satan, I rebuke you, Lord, and I send you back to the pit of hell with your heavy burden. Satan! Satan! Satan, I trample you. Hallelujah, element of. Yeah, man, a whole heap of negative phone. No can't conquer me. Hallelujah. No care not. People mouth are poison. You hear that? That's why I'm gonna make people say negative things. I hear me a trample it. Me tell them, enough time I hear some people say things. I see if I'm not ear to my ears, enough. If I'm ear you a while ago, girl, you coming like some coach a while ago in my ears. I said, no, I have to go find her. And here I am. Come on for my name. You want to eat my ice cream? Or the have over my life is me. If I give an interview and sit and give my cloth opinion, you hear that? And then, and Queen, I got one thing me I got do. Me cannot condemn the husband who I have. Me I cause to respect and only want disrespect my husband. That makes sense? Me want him respect me and two him not respect me if me could disrespect me. No! It's not allowed and it's not accepted. I already him not I love him. I shame and I disgrace to love my husband. No, talk to me. Is it so wrong? I trim young, I'm a whole. And to my old, me have no feelings. I tell you about something. I tell you are going. I tell you are going good. No, me have no reason now. What happens to that cup of tea, sir? What? You don't have no mug in the kitchen. Go get one mug, man.